Let me show you step by step how to set password to Google Drive file or PDF. So if you want to set password to a PDF in the Google Drive, let me show you step by step how to do it. After you open the Google Drive, you click on my drive. So now you go and find the PDF. So if I scroll to down, now here is the PDF. Right click on the PDF, go to share again. So after you go to share, now you click on this restricted, go to this anyone with the link. So after you set this anyone with the link, then make sure this option is set as viewer and copy the link. After you copy the link, click on this done button. So the next thing you should do, you click on this new button. So you go to Google Form. After you go to Google Form, so now you type in the welcome message in this option now. So I'll type in like, let's say something like just welcome. So you can type in something welcome. After you type in your welcome message, you can type in description if you want. So after you finish typing the description as well, then you click on this option. So now I will just type in something like this, enter password in this option. So after you type in enter password in this option, then you click on this where it says a short answer. Now select the short answer in this option, and then you click on this where it says turn on this option, and click on this three dots, go to response validation. So now click on this option now and select text. So from this option now type in your password. So my password would be 123456 then BB, and then click on this custom error text. So if the person type in a wrong password, it will give him this message, wrong password. So just something like this. So I'll click on this next button and then go to the setting again. So from the setting now click on this presentation, click on this three dot, and then scroll to down, go to edit. So now type in something like this. So here is the, so now I'll click on this on open the URL to open the URL to see the PDF or file. So I'll just type in something like this, then press enter from your keyboard. Now you paste in the link that you copy. So the next thing you should do, so I'll just type in something like this. So now I'll just type in the, now press enter from your keyboard and press in the link like this, and then press save button. After you press save from your keyboard, then you click on this publish button. So publish again. After you publish, now you click on this option, now copy the link. After you copy the link, you click on this button. So from there now you copy the link. So now if you share this link with someone, the person has to enter the password that you gave him before the person can be able to access the folder. So now let me give you an example. If I click on this three dot, go to incognito, and now I'll paste in the link. So after I paste in the link, so now it will ask me for the password like this one. So now here it says welcome. So it will ask me for the password. It says enter password. Now I'll type in the password. Let's say I'll start by typing wrong password. So I'll also click on the submit button. It says wrong password. So if I type in now the correct password, 123456 then BB, I'll click on the submit button. So now it will take me to the center. As you can see, it says welcome. Open the URL to see the PDF. I'll click on this option now. Now I can be able to open the PDF. So now here is the PDF. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe.